Hey pack leaders, another thing that you need to turn off is the Windows real-time scanning. To do that, let me show you how to get there. Alright, so you want to go over here under this little deal and click on all settings. And this should open up, okay? And then click on Windows security over here, and then this should be it. And then click on virus and threat protection. And then you want to scan down over here. Now if this is on, it'll probably won't have this button. Click on manage settings, and then this is where you get the real-time protection. You check that off, and what else? Automatic sample, yeah, sure. Turn that off too, and that should be good. Now once you restart your computer, this should go away now. So now it's not using any CPU, it's not running anything, and you should be able to, you know, move around your stuff a lot faster when you click on things. Okay, I'm gonna restart it one more time because now that it's turned off, I don't want it running. So let's go ahead and restart it one more time, and that should take care of it. Okay, thanks.